Here are a set of Kapp quick release bolts. I received these with a batch of parts from Ryan Podesta, and these were, I think, made by Brian Duffy, who worked for Kapp in, I'm not sure what year. This one has a Delrin front and aluminum quick release back with a pin that you pull up. This one right here it has holes cut through it, has a venturi end, and it uses a rotate design to disconnect. A little similar to a die reflex bolt, but pretty different. Pretty neat. Slide into the back block, and a little quarter turn locks it into place. Uses a detent, which sits into the center of that piece that protrudes down from the bolt. Pretty neat design. This bolt is also very similar. It has two holes in it, and there's two different spots on the back of it that it can actually lock into the back block. These bolts are all prototypes. I haven't seen any more of them, but they were produced by Kick Ass Paintball Products. Here's another one with just a quarter turn. This bolt doesn't have as much cut out of it as the other two, but it's the same mechanism. Just a slight turn, locks into place. We can see the back blocks look pretty similar on all three of these, but are different on the first one. I'm not sure how these would stand up to normal use. I haven't actually shot them at all, but they are pretty neat.